Hi, this is Mark Mullen. I'm on the Tracy Doe team at Compass Real Estate. Welcome to Silver Lake, one of the trendiest neighborhoods in Los Angeles, and I'm pleased to tour you around the Kawaguchi House. The Kawaguchi House is a beautiful example of mid-century modern post and beam architecture, first owned by the Kawaguchi family, who purchased it from the architect and builder Eugene Kinn Choy. This is truly one of my favorite homes that I've ever had the opportunity to sell. There's a lot to see inside. Let's go take a look. One of the things that will strike you right away walking inside is that this is a beautiful example of post and beam design. We have a wall of glass with these two French doors that open. In this way, there's this beautiful exchange between indoors and out. But before we head outside, let's explore some of these beautiful interior spaces. The great room is this connection between the living, dining, and kitchen, and it's open and seamless. One of the extraordinary things about this home is it's an early example of using a siding material on the indoors that is typically found outdoors. So Choy took that exterior form, brought it in, and that further creates this interplay between the outdoors and the interior. And it really plays nicely as you're sitting in this space and feeling as if you're outside even while you're sitting by the fire. In this great room, when you look up, you see the large beam and then that's supporting the smaller beams in an open beam ceiling. As you're sitting in this space, you feel very connected really to the entire house. And this is a very nice home for gathering. What I love about this kitchen is it's been updated from the original 1956 architecture, but it's still very much in the spirit of 1956. I love this full height tile backsplash. The tile are by Heath, and they've got this beautiful earth tone that complements the walnut cabinetry and also the open beam ceiling above. And then we've got this peninsula island here with the 5-burner cooktop, and as you're standing at that cooktop cooking a beautiful meal, you have a beautiful view of Los Angeles. This master bedroom is amazing. It takes up the entire top floor. So imagine waking up in this beautiful bed and looking out this window, and here's this view across Silver Lake hillsides and into Los Angeles. And then there's all this beautiful custom woodwork all around you. The headboard of the bed and the 2 side tables, custom built. It has seamless flow into this beautiful bathroom with a separate tub and shower and beautiful finishes. So it really completes this environment where you are waking up in the morning and you really feel surrounded by a level of luxury and tranquility. As promised, here is one of the great features of this beautiful home is this deck. We're right off the living space and we've got this incredible view across treetops, and you get the peaks of skyscrapers coming up over the ridge. So the sunsets here are glorious. We have a magnolia tree offering us some shade, and it's just a beautiful and very tranquil environment to relax, whether it's under the sunshine or the stars. Thank you for joining me on this tour of the Kawaguchi House in Silver Lake. I hope you enjoyed the tour as much as I did, and we hope to see you soon.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?